Hello everyone, so today I'm like super duper up close because I do not want you to see the mess that is going on behind me because I am going through my spring cleaning, even though it literally just went from winter like 2 days ago to summer because it went from like 60 degrees to 80 degrees in like a matter of 3 days, and that's California for you. But yeah, so I'm just like cleaning out everything because I'm just in a mood to declutter. But I thought since it's been a month, I would bring you my rolling Bath & Body Works project pan. So let's get in, shall we? So if you watched my last update, which was my first update, so this is my second update, but my third video, I think it's my second update. So I finished my winter candy apple body lotion. I did only start about to right here, so it was quick to use up. It's just, you know, it's winter, or it was winter for us at least, and you know, standing naked after you just got out of the shower in the cold, waiting for this to absorb is not that fun. It's easier to do in the summer, but I finally finished this up. I have backups because winter candy apple is my favorite Bath & Body Works scent, and I'll probably refrain from using them for a while just because I want to get into the summer spirit. It's technically still spring, but it feels like summer. It might cool down and feel like spring, but we'll see. Right now it's summertime officially. So that one's gone. The other one that is also gone is my warm vanilla sugar body souffle. No, not warm vanilla sugar because I hate that scent. Wild Madagascar vanilla. This vanilla, it's okay. This one I started about to right there, but because it was a body butter, it was kind of like all over the place. I think I'm gonna keep this one and this packaging, and I'm going to reuse it. I have this subtle highlighter that I kind of don't use from Wet n Wild, and it's just sitting in my collection, not being used because it's not really like, it has some shimmer but not enough for me to like want to use it over my other highlighters. So I'm definitely going to keep this packaging, crush a little bit up of that highlighter, mix it in with some body lotion, and do my little DIY Boom Boom Cream. Although this scent probably was the closest to the Boom Boom Cream, which I probably should have done that with this one. Oh, I just got lotion remnants on my lip. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, if anything, it's not quite it, but it's like probably the closest thing Bath & Body Works has ever created to come close to it. I also finished something that I added in my last update. I finished my Sonoma Weekend Escape body cream. This was gratis. It was only about like halfway, and I would use this on my legs like ever since I put it in, so I actually just finished it up this morning, the last little bit, which is probably why it took me longer to film this update. This scent was nice. I don't believe I have anything else in my collection that's of Sonoma Weekend Escape, so it was nice to use. It was still good, so I used it up before it went bad. It'll be missed. It was a good scent, but I like the body creams. That's really random, but I do. Would I ever repurchase it again? Probably at an SAS. I mean, I don't think I'd ever buy anything full priced at Bath & Body Works anymore, just because I've learned. My lesson was learned. Okay, so the body lotions I still have is, I haven't worked on this because I was going to use this on my legs. This is Endless Weekend, also has a gratis sticker. This one is starting to turn. I can see it. I can see all the lotion in the little hole. And when I applied it, like, it comes out a little watery, so it's just time to use it up. It's not like, I mean, it smells like a very watered down Endless Weekend, but it has more of like a lotion consistency than a cream, so I am gonna use that up next just because it's literally on its last leg of life expectancy. So hopefully I can finish that up by the next update. If I'm just using it on my legs. With this type of weather, I probably will, because I had to shave my legs today, and yeah, that's all. I had to shave my legs today because it's hot. And then the other one, this one's only like halfway used, so it should go fast because there's only half of it left. This one I started full. This is the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine, and after I finished my Winter Candy Apple one, I've been using this on my arms, just on my upper body, and now this one's about halfway, so it doesn't take that long. I feel like the body lotions last a little longer than the body creams. I just feel like you use more of the body cream because it's so thick, and then like it goes a long way. But yeah. So I have half of this, so hopefully I can finish these two up by the next update. And if I finish them beforehand, I'm adding in a new lotion. This is the Agave Papaya Sunset because, you know, I wanted to be in a summer mood, and this is like a warm summer. It smells like exotic flavors and electric colors. Margaritas at noon. Me and my friend are actually gonna go out for margaritas after I film this video, so how appropriate. This smells like sugared agave, golden papaya, dulce de leche, coconut sands, and exotic musk. So this is the one I'm going to be working on next. I'm excited. I love this scent. Once I'm done with the shower gel, I was like gonna say it with body, and I'm like, that doesn't sound right. That I have in my shower, which only has about like that much left, I'm gonna take out the shower gel of this one so it's matchy. And then I only used this one like twice, but not really like that much. I haven't been using it on my feet. If I had, this probably would be gone. I've been using it like on my earlobes because I don't know why, like I started to getting like this weird like cracked skin, and it wasn't eczema. I know a lot of people think that like the way that I described it last time was like eczema, but it was just like a lot of dead skin. It's not like the eczema type. It was really weird, but this is really helping. Like my ears always have had a tendency to either get like infections, like where my piercing is. Like I could tell that like the dryness was like behind my ear as well. So I've been using this like once a week, and I haven't had the problem since. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Okay, moving on to the fun stuff, which are the sprays. I haven't finished anything yet, or it would have been like said at the very beginning of this video, but I'm almost. So let's start off with my EDT. This is this is EDP, not EDT. There's a difference, Renee. This is 1,000 Wishes. This is where I started at that first line. This was the last update, and this is where I am now, just so you can see a little better. So I could definitely have this finished by the next update. It'll be super easy. Let me spray some now, because I haven't put on perfume today. Oh, look at that! It's already underneath the line. This will be for sure gone at by the next time, but because I still have my sprays, I'm not going to add anything in yet. I'll probably add it at the next update, which hopefully I can get in 3 weeks up instead of like a little over a month. So yeah, almost done with my Winter Candy Apple Spray as well. I am down to this line. This was the intro, last update, and this is it. So if I focus on this like straight until the next update, I'll probably be able to finish this. Same with this other one, but because both of them are the exact same, I have to pick one or the other to finish up. This is a Peach and Honey Almond. This is where I was at the intro, first update, and now I'm down to here. So if I focused on this one, obviously I'd be able to finish it just based on like my progress. And then, but if I use both, then I probably won't finish them. So I have to pick one. So I'm gonna let you guys pick. Which one would you guys prefer me to use up first, just to help me finish it off? I kind of feel like I should do Winter Candy Apple because it's hot now and that's winter-y. And this is like a more warmer fragrance, and that's more of like a fruity floral. So, but I'll let you guys decide because that is fun. But that is basically all for my update. Yeah. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!